coming is an LG model number. Designation is a LGM. It's a little hard to see. It's S550. It's the LG Stylo 2? 2 plus, okay. And when you get a chance, please look up the LCD cost for me on that one, okay? And then send it on the ST1D log. It is an LG Stylo 2 plus device, and the customer is coming in because there's a fracture across the whole entire region of the phone, most likely, and then there's also missing fragments on the towards the center of the device as well. Right now we're submitting a request to see if we can find an entire LCD assembly for the customer and issue them a quote based on parts and labor.